the Make-Believe Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's do the My Snow Globe activity, okay? Yeah. Well, first let's do some coloring. And we have the snowman, so let's make his nose orange. And his arms, let's make those brown. Yeah. And his hat, well, let's make that blue. And his buttons blue too. And the tree, well, let's color the bottom brown. We'll leave the rest white because it's covered with snow. Yeah. And what's this? Do you know? Yeah, that's right. It's a house. I think I'll color the walls of my house gray. But please color yours any color you want to, okay? Yeah. This is looking good. And the chimney, let's color that red. And the door, let's make that brown. And there's lights coming from the inside, so let's color the windows yellow. And we'll leave the roof white, because that's covered with snow too. Yeah. Well, don't forget to write your name, okay? Great. And I'm going to add some color on the bottom. I think I'll color mine green. But please color yours any color you like, okay? Now grab your scissors and let's cut it all out. Wow! Now we need some glue. And let's glue everything together, okay? First, I think I'll glue on the tree. I'll put mine here. Yeah. And the house, I'll put that here. And the last one, the snowman, I'll put mine up here. Wow, this looks great. Hey, I know a song about snow. Let's sing, okay? Well, I'm just sitting outside, counting the snowflakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 little snowflakes on the ground. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah! Well, I'm just sitting outside, counting the snowflakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 little snowflakes on the ground. Lots of little snowflakes coming down. I'm a happy snowman, white and fat. Here are my buttons, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, you'll hear me say, "Hoo, it's hot," as I melt away.
Whew, it is hot. Hey, it's getting cold again.
I'm a happy snowman, white and fat. Here are my buttons, here is my hat. When the sun comes out, you'll hear me say, "Hoo, it's hot," as I melt away.
Whew, it's getting really hot now. Oh no!
I'm I'm a sad snowman, wet and flat. Where are my buttons? Where is my hat? When the sun goes down, you'll hear me say,
Hey, it's getting cold again. Yeah!
hey, it's cold again, hooray. Hey, it's cold again, hooray.
Let's move!
Walk, walk, walk like a snowman.
Yeah!
Dance, dance, dance like a snowman.
Woohoo!
Jump, jump, jump like a snowman. Turn, turn, turn like a snowman.
Oh, it's getting hot again.
Melt, melt, melt like a snowman. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!